It's a party down here, of course. Brazilians are dancing, singing, jumping. We are an American family of 7, living, working, and loving Brazil. Welcome to the adventures of our Brazilian life. Brazil is the most successful national team in the history of the World Cup. It has been so fun going to games and celebrating with the Brazilians. I was heartbroken when they lost to Belgium in the quarterfinals, but we will never stop cheering for Brazil. This video was filmed last week during the Brazil versus Serbia game. We loved the energy, excitement, strength, and unity the Brazilians have when it comes to soccer. To watch the game. Brazil versus Serbia. Brazil won, of course. We won. Woo woo.
E eu, amiga.
Yeah, yeah. Woo, Brazil. I love Brazilians. I love them. Beijos. Thank you for joining us. Thanks for watching our video. Staying connected would mean the world to us. We love making new friends. Please drop by and say hi on Instagram, and thank you for joining our Brazilian life.